Grand's stupid shaved hair with a break. She don't know what she's saying and she doesn't eat meat. That I hate her because meat is happy. Does she, does she, is she stupid? She have to fight her brain. I'll get a treat and hit her in the head. And even a car, truck, or a what. I will just hit her with a glass plate and my face hurts. My brain hurts because of her. She's stupid if she's dumb like Ayla. And, and I want to get a train and smash her up. Now I know what. Also a glass plate or what? Plate or what? Plate or what? My head is hurting right now because of her. Her. Bye bye.